If God woke you up today, He isn't finished with you yet. So get up and keep going. Waking up every morning is a great blessing that comes from the Lord. Morning is one of the best time na mag-meditate tayo sa salita ng Diyos, and as well as makipag-usap tayo sa Lord. Ito yung time na wala pa tayong masyadong maraming iniisip, at ito din yung time na nakakapag-isip tayo ng maayos. So this morning, let me share with you my devotion and my rema. So our readings is in Joshua chapter 1 verse 7 to 8. Sabi dito, "Be strong and be very courageous. Be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. Do not deviate from them, turning either to the right or to the left. Then you will be successful in everything you do. Study this book of instructions continually. Meditate on it day and night, so you will be sure to obey everything written in it. Only then you will be prosperous and successful in all you do." Ito kasing chapter 1 ng Joshua, ay si Joshua na po ang nag-take over ng leadership kasi nawala na si Moses, kinuha na siya ng Lord. And then the Lord is keep on telling Joshua na be strong and be very courageous. Ilang beses to inuulit-ulit dito sa chapter na ito ng Joshua 1 na be strong and be very courageous. Si Joshua po dito, from being apprentice ay naging full-fledged leader na talaga siya ng mga Israelites. That's why the Lord is keep on telling him na be strong and be very courageous. Kasi nga, nagkaroon na ng deployment si Joshua. Dineploy na siya ng Diyos na maging leader ng mga Israelites. Being a leader is not an easy thing. Ang dami mo kasing ang dami mo cargo. Hindi mo pa alam lahat ng mga attitudes, mga characters ng mga tao under sa'yo. That's why the Lord is keep on telling Joshua na be strong and be very courageous. At ang isa sa mga instruction ni Lord na nagrema talaga sa akin, be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. Kasi hindi naman dineploy si Joshua na wala siyang dala-dala. Hindi naman siya hinayaan ni Lord na maging leader ng mga Israelites kung hindi siya hinanda, kung hindi siya hinubog. Joshua was forged to become the leader of his generation. That is why the Lord is keep on telling Joshua, be strong and be very courageous. At isa pa po sa nagustuhan ko po sa Lord, whenever na i-deploy ng Lord ang kanyang mga lingkod, ay always niya nire-remind na I've already given you instruction. Kasi sabi niya, be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. Do not deviate from them, turning either to the right or to the left. Kaya sabi niya, then you will be successful in everything you do. So magiging successful po talaga ang lahat ng lakad kapag kasama natin ang Diyos. Kagaya po ni Joshua, sinabihan siya ng Lord na lahat ng instructions na binigay ni Moses sa iyo, be careful to obey it. Take heed to that instruction. Kasi yung instruction na yun ng Lord, yun yung magiging guide niya sa lahat ng mga gagawin niya. Kaya sabi ng Lord, magiging successful ka kapag lahat ng mga pagtuturo at instruction ko sa iyo ay sinunod mo. That's why po in our generation right now, we really need the instruction that comes from the Lord. If we want to be successful in everything that we do, we should always take heed. We should always obey the instructions of the Lord. Grabe po ang instruction ni Lord. Simple lang, pero ang hirap din po gawin. may mga times na nahihirapan din tayo kasi may mga sarili din po kasi tayong gusto. But when we fully understand na we need to obey the instruction of the Lord sa life natin, mas lalo siyang gumagaan. Mas lalong gumagaan ang decision making natin. Kasi nga, merong nagsasabi sa atin na ito yung bagay na dapat mong gawin. Ito yung desisyon na dapat mong sundin. So, sabi din dito sa verse 8, study the book of instructions continually. That is why po, we keep on doing our devotions, we keep on reading the Word of God. Kasi nga, instruction to ng Lord eh. Study the book of instructions continually. Continually, ibig sabihin araw-araw, continuous na pagbasa natin ng salita ng Lord. Hindi lang po binabasa natin ang Bible, we also meditate on it. Kasi eto na ang continuous verse niya. Meditate on it day and night, so you will be sure to obey everything written in it. Only then you will be prosperous and successful in all you do. So lahat naman po tayo gusto nating maging successful sa lahat ng ginagawa natin at sa lahat ng mga gusto nating gawin. That's why the Lord is giving us this command na keep on meditating the Word of God. Keep on digging kung ano ba talaga ang gustong sabihin ng Lord sa'yo, ano ba ang instruction ni Lord sa'yo. That's why po, I realize na kapag po pala magnenegosyo tayo, magpapamilya tayo, kapag po may mga bagay na gusto tayong gawin sa buhay natin, may mga inaabot tayong pangarap, we should always seek the word of the Lord sa life natin. Kasi mas better na meron tayong word na galing sa Lord bago natin umpisahan ang bagay na yan. Bago natin i-execute ang lahat ng mga pangarap at pinaplano natin. So that in everything that we do, we will be successful, we will be prosperous kung iti-take heed natin lahat ng mga instructions ng Lord na sasabihin niya sa atin. So God bless everyone, and I pray that you are being motivated and inspired by the Word of God.